welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a storybook or a comic book for kids with fun, creative, colorful style, plus using ChatGPT and Canva. So let's dive into it. First of all, you are going to open ChatGPT and you're going to write this prompt, write a story for kids, which it should include inside home. It's up to you that if you want to write this text, or you can only write a story for kids, or you can even write a story for kids that adventurous, or whatever you, it's up to you. But I wrote this prompt. Now I'm gonna click on generate. So this is the prompt I got. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna select this all, and then you're gonna do Control C, and you're gonna go in Notepad, and you're gonna paste it over here so that you can just copy paste it while you're doing your work. I'm gonna just delete this everything. Now that's clear. Now go back to your Canva account and go click on create and write for search for story, and the first format template, click on that. So this page opened. I'm gonna name it Storybook, and even I have a resource page in my Canva link. I'm going to share it in the description. You could use these resources for making your own storybook, and these could kind of really help you. So check out the link in the description for some resources you could use for making your own story. So first of all, I'm going to create a front page of Canva in Canva. So my story is like indoor adventure. I'll meet you back after created. So guys, I'm going to show you how to actually preview the story which I made in a flipbook preview. First of all, go and share, click on see all, go scroll down, click on simple booklet flip, and click on open. You're just gonna write your account over here, and you're gonna sign into it Then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna export your design and then you're gonna save. Then it's gonna prepare your design. It is almost about to be done. And then your design has been saved. Then what you're gonna do is that view in SimpleBooklet files. Name your storybook. I'm gonna name it Indoor Adventure. And then just what you do. And now it's making an expert tip. So look at it. It actually creates a real type of comic book. Like it's a preview. Isn't it amazing? So hope you love this video. So meet me in the next video.